Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be bringing you our Tour Pack luggage rack. These things here are going to be constructed of lightweight tube steel. They're going to be offered in chrome and black finishes. It's going to come with all the hardware that you need to get it mounted on your Tour Pack. These will be able to be used with OEM Tour Packs as well as HOGWORKZ and aftermarket Tour Packs. Check out hogworkz.com for a fitment table. We're going to go ahead and get this rack on this pack. So a couple tools you're going to need is a 1/16 inch drill bit, a 9/32 drill bit, a 10 mil socket, some masking tape, and a permanent marker. All right, one more tool you're going to need is a buddy to give you a hand with this.
Biggest tool in the shed. Let's go.
So now, depending on what kind of backrest you have, obviously make sure the backrest is on your Tour Pack, because just make sure you give yourself a little bit of room between here and there. And then again, this pointed part here is going to face forward. So first thing we want to do is get this lined up on the Tour Pack about where we want it. And then we're going to put a piece of tape where the mounting feet are going to fall on both sides. So like right here, you can see that it's going to fall right on the edge of this body line that's in the top of the Tour Pack on both sides. So we'll go ahead and just put a piece of tape on the 4 spots there. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we know that our feet are going to land on the tape. So what we'll do is pull these protectors off. Okay, go ahead and reline it up. And then once you got it where you want it, go ahead and have your buddy hold it down. And what we're going to do is trace around a circle around each one of these posts. All right, once you have them traced out, go ahead and pick this off of here, set it down. Now with a 1/16 drill bit, you can use 1/16, you can use an 1/8 inch. I wouldn't go any more than an 1/8 inch because you don't want to crack the paint on here. So what we're gonna do is just drill a small pilot hole, and then we are gonna open that hole up with a larger drill bit. So
I have a bag liner in there.
Oh yeah. Before you go ahead and drill your holes, you wanna open up your Tour Pack. And if you have a liner on the inside here, something, you're gonna wanna go ahead and remove it so you don't stick a drill bit through it. So you can do that by just removing one end of the tether. So we got our liner out of there, we're ready to drill. So again, right in the center of the hole. All right, now we'll go ahead with our 9/32 drill and open those holes up. All right, so once you have your holes drilled, go ahead and clean off some of the excess shavings and whatnot. And then now you can go ahead and peel your tape off. Then we'll go ahead and open the pack real quick here. Just make sure we don't have any big burrs hanging on the inside. So then with the help of a friend, have them hold the Tour Pack lid open for you. And what you're gonna do is take one of the screws and a lock washer, the steel washer, and then one of the small black plastic washers. This is gonna go up underneath here and screw into the bottom of the luggage rack. So we'll go ahead and stick or screw through the hole and then place the bigger black plastic washer between. And all you want to do is get these started. You don't want to go tighten them down yet. All right, so once you have them started by hand, take your 10 mil socket, go ahead and tighten them down evenly. Work your way around. Don't just tighten one all the way down and then try and go to the next one. So now we got everything tightened down, we can go ahead and reinstall our liner. All right guys, so that's going to complete the installation. Pretty simple and easy way to add some extra storage for your luggage. So check them out at hogworks.com. AJ, thanks for your help.
Anytime.